This is IT Spec. We're back. I'm actually doing this video not for advanced users. This is actually for beginner users. I'm actually going to be testing, well, not testing, but showing you how to use 4 programs. The first one's Rkill. We're going to be using Malwarebytes, Anti-Malware, Spybot Search and Destroy, and Process Explorer. First, I want to start out with Process Explorer. Most viruses, well, some of them, what they will do when they infect you is they will put in a fake task manager. So when you go to try and open your task manager, it's going to be a fake one. You won't be able to do nothing, or it'll be fake. So some of them won't even let you open your task manager. So what you want to do is you want to download Process Explorer, and it's going to be a zip file or a file like that. So if you want to, you can get WinRAR. It's a free program. You just open it and zip it, and then you got this. So we're actually going to click on this, and you're going to push run. Excuse me. And this is what Process Explorer looks like. And mine is actually going to be here. All this, my CPUs. You got your CPU here. Commits, charge, process, I got 78 processes, physical usage is 26, or 61, my bad, 96%, so that's your memory right there, this, for you that don't know that, and you get a list of all your processes. Every single one of your processes is going to be in this Process Explorer. Yes, I have a lot, because I have a lot of things running on my system. Other than that, if, I don't have any viruses right now running that I can see of. No, I don't actually. No, okay. Anyways, if there is a virus in your process, it will show up in here. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually click on one. We'll say this one. I'm actually going to right click it, and it'll say kill process. You actually want to click on that. So we're not going to do that because I'm not going to kill any processes. That's mostly what I want to show you on that. The next one up is Rkill. Rkill is free download too. You just go to Bleeping Computers and it'll automatically download. It's a DOS application, so it'll run by itself. You won't have to really click on anything. So this is what it's going to do. You're going to click it, click yes, and it's actually going to open up a DOS command prompt. And if it comes up, okay, and actually I'm gonna allow that. I don't know what that is. It's my Norton. I'm gonna allow that. I'm actually gonna allow that. It's just trying to open up. See, Norton. I've got Norton on its highest. Okay, it's taking a minute. I got Norton on its highest heuristic scan level, so, and the firewall's pretty high. So it's gonna take a minute to pop up. I'm actually gonna pause this again, and or pause this video, and oh, okay, now when it popped up, and this is what it looks like. Bleepingcomputers.com, copyright bleepingcomputers.com. It's preparing Rkill. It's Windows System 32 CMD exe. So it's actually gonna do that. In a minute, it should pop up saying terminating malware processes or something along that line. So I'm actually gonna wait for this. I'm not gonna pause this video because I actually want you to see everything that's doing. See, terminating no malware process. Please be patient. It won't take that long unless you have a pretty bad virus, and it's got to kill a lot of malware processes. And just to let you know, it's not just because it terminates one doesn't mean it's always a virus. It does have false positives, which mine will probably do. That's just telling me that I can't read that file, so it's not found in my directory. Okay, so nothing was. Normally I have stuff running that's not really viruses, but obviously it didn't catch it that time. But anyways, this is what it'll come up to. It'll say process terminated by Rkill while it was running, and anywhere between here would be your process that would kill. Mine had none of them killed, so it tells your operating system 7 at home premium. And that's all you do for that one. Next, when you Spybot Search and Destroy, I think Spybot Search and Destroy works really, really, really good, and it's more of a deeper scan than Super Anti-Spyware. I think it's a lot better. Some people like Super Anti-Spyware because it scans. I guess they think it scans more. I mean, I think this works great. But anyways, you always want to search for updates, and some people don't know how to do this update, so I'm going to show you how to do it. This is going to pop up. No newer updates available, so actually I can't show you, but what it will do is pop up to another screen, and it will have a bunch of different countries' flags. You want to click on the USA flag and click download, and it'll come up to a bunch of different things. You just click on it and it'll do whatever. And before I check for problems, I'm actually going to show you this immunized. Don't worry about this if it says administrator rights. If you're an administrator for your computer, it's going to work anyways. Actually, I won't be able to show you, but anyways, it's because I have a browser open right now. But what this does, it actually protects you from different spyware attacks. Right now, I have 49 unprotected because of my browser is opened, so it can't immunize. But what you would do is you would push immunize and would apply passive protection on that. So we're not going to do that because my browser is actually open. But here is where you click on search and destroy. You can actually show the information, read this, and then you can just hide it again, whatever you want to do. But we're actually going to check for problems. This is, can you spread scan speed increases allowed. So you want to actually, it's asking, do you want to increase the speed? I'm going to push yes. So it's going to do that, and then you can read the hints of the day or whatever, but I'm just going to I'm gonna hide permanently. Okay, I'm gonna be right back after the scan is done, and we'll see what happens. Be right back. Alright, we're back. The scan finished with search and destroy. I believe these are just tracking cookies. It did find 6 of them. Yeah, okay, they're tracking cookies. So we're just gonna fix selected problems. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna pause this video because I do got a phone call. So. 1 second. Alright, sorry about that, we're back. Anyways, back to where we were. I said we had tracking cookies, and it was all I found. It's from Google Chrome. Okay, so it actually fixed the problem, so we already did that. So all you really gotta do is close it out, and it's done. Alright, the next program I'm actually gonna be using is Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. Excuse me. If the best way to actually run Malwarebytes is in safe mode. I would recommend safe mode because it doesn't actually let the programs run in Malwarebytes. Actually, if you get the newest version of Malwarebytes, it's 1.51. It actually has a memory analyzer, so it'll actually scan your memory and to see if you have any malware in your memory. I'm actually not going to do a scan with Malwarebytes, but I'm actually going to show you what you can do. Sorry. When the way to get into safe mode is you want to turn off your computer, restart, and as soon as you see your logo of whatever computer is, you want to automatically start pressing F8. As soon as F8, as soon as you start pressing F8, a menu will come up, and it'll have a list of different commands you can do. Actually, you want to do safe mode with networking, and after you get in that, put your password in. It ain't gonna look normal. It's gonna have actually, it's gonna be a big screen. It's gonna be like you're in your internet browser, and you zoomed into like 150% or something like that. But after that, you get in there. You actually want to do update your program to the newest definitions. So I'm actually going to do that real quick. I'll actually pause this video so it can do that. Alright, we're back. It's actually updated to the latest definitions. And when you do get, if you are in safe mode, you actually want to perform a full scan. Click scan. I'm not going to scan because it'll probably take an hour and a half to scan this computer because I have a big hard drive. Sorry, excuse me. But when you do, if you are infected and you know you're infected, it'll actually, when you're done, it'll actually have a show results down here. It'll have a list of all viruses right here, and you actually want to remove selected, and then you can just exit out of that. 1 second. All right. Anyways. Also, in safe mode, you can actually run Spybot Search and Destroy. It also works well in safe mode. When you're in safe mode, you can run both of them, and pretty much it'll catch whatever you have. Thanks for watching. This is IT Spec. This is David.